Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad that you are watching. If you're new here, welcome, karibu. My name is Eva Mtali, and on this channel we talk about all things making money online, passive income opportunities, as well as side hustle opportunities. So if any of these topics sound interesting to you, you want to hit the subscribe button below, and once you have done so, you want to hit the notification bell as well, so that every single time I shoot a new video, you do not miss out. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you 4 different ways that you can quickly make your first dollar online. So before you all come for me, I know $1, Eva, what is $1? Well, it depends on where you live, but where I live right now, $1 is equivalent to 110 Kenya shillings, and this is a lot of money by Kenyan standards. There's families that live on less than $1 a day, so if you can make that dollar, my friend, go for it. And this video up here, I share with you why now is the best time to make money. If you're based out of Africa, if you're based out of Asia, it's your best time to make money online, because you're going to be paid in dollars, you're going to be paid in pounds, you're going to get paid in euros, and because there's not a lot of people traveling, there is fewer of this foreign currently circulating in our countries, and that means they fetch more. So for example, here, since COVID started, for every $1 you get at least 110 Kenya shillings. So if you have like $10, then you could make 1,000 Kenya shillings. So without much further ado, the number one way you can quickly make your first dollar is by speaking your mother tongue. And what am I talking about? I am talking about being an online tutor, whereby you teach other people your own dialect. So a classic example is what I do on a platform called italki, and you can choose to teach people through your own personal website. So for example, you could create your own website to teach whatever language it is that you speak. Alternatively, you can decide to use language learning platforms such as italki. That's the one that I have experience with, and all you have to do is to sign up on the platform, do an introductory video, post it, and if you are accepted, then you immediately become a teacher. And if you're interested in all the details of how you can start teaching your own mother tongue on italki and get paid doing it, you want to check out this video up here where I discuss all the nitty-gritties of how you can actually sign up on the italki platform. And the beauty with italki is that, based on my experience, when we are first signed up, we're taken through a short training, about an hour, and one of the things they mentioned is that generally once you get on the platform and you fill out all your details, within a week or so you start getting lesson requests. And believe me, that was my experience. In less than a week, I got not only lesson requests, but I actually got to teach. And so far I have had about 15 students that I am currently teaching Kiswahili and my local mother tongue, which is Dholuo. So guys, I would encourage you, if you're looking to make your first dollar online, then you want to check out italki.com or any other language learning platform for that matter. The number 2 way that you can quickly make your first dollar online is by selling a product or a service. And the beauty with the internet is that you do not need to own the product that you are selling or be the one that is doing the service. So through processes such as service drop shipping, for example, or affiliate marketing, you can actually promote other people's products and get paid a commission for that. So for example, let's say you want to sell digital marketing services but do not have the expertise, or you're just not interested, you probably don't have the time to provide this kind of service. You can actually find somebody who's willing to offer the said services at a lower price, and the money that you make could be the profit between how much you sell these products for and how much you actually get them done for. When it comes to affiliate marketing, you simply go to platforms such as cj.com. You can go to digistore.com, warriorplus.com. There's different affiliate marketing platform whereby you can find products to promote, and all these websites, all these platforms are going to give you what they call affiliate links. This is what you're going to share with your prospective buyers, and if they buy items using your links, then the owners of these items are going to pay you a commission. So see, you can actually make money online without owning the product or without owning the service. And if you decide to actually sell your own product, that's still fine, and there's different things you can actually sell on the internet. So in this video up here, for example, I share with you the different digital downloads that you can actually sell on the internet, and specifically on the Etsy.com platform. And through tools such as canva.com, you can actually very quickly make different templates and in a short time have them on a website and start making money. So in this video up here, I outline step by step how you can start your own Etsy business. Number 4 way you can make your first dollar online is by selling extra space in your house. Through platforms such as Airbnb.com, Booking.com, you can actually still make money even right now with all the lockdown and COVID pandemic situation that is going on. You can actually still make money with your Airbnb. And if you check this video up here, I outline step by step of how you can still use your Airbnb and make money in spite of the fact that people are not currently traveling as much. But we have a lot of domestic traveling going on, so you want to consider those. We have YouTubers who are looking for locations to share their videos. We have a lot of people going on staycations. People are still getting married and going for honeymoons. We have people looking for filming locations, and the list is just endless. So be open, be creative, and you're gonna find somebody to share your space with for a fee. Last but not least, you can make your first dollar online by shooting videos and posting them on YouTube. And remember, you can choose to have either brand, like where you are the brand of your YouTube channel, you are the face of your YouTube channel, like in my case, where all your videos, you are the one who has to produce them and you have to be the feature in the videos. Alternatively, you can decide to go with faceless YouTube channels, and that's a thing. And the beauty with having a faceless YouTube channel is that you do not have to be the one to shoot the videos. You can actually outsource the entire video production process. So for example, you can decide to shoot, to record meditation music, for example. You can decide to shoot videos without really showing your face. You can do lifestyle videos. There's lots of options of what you can do with your faceless YouTube video. However, here's the catch with YouTube: it takes really a lot of work. It takes a lot of time between when you start your channel and until where you can be signed up on YouTube's partnership program, where you start getting advertisements on your videos and get paid for them. So you're gonna need to have at least 4,000 watch hours in a span of 365 days, and you're gonna need to have at least 1,000 subscribers on your channel. And then from there you can start making money through your YouTube channel. However, even with 0 subscribers, you can still make money on YouTube, and there's different ways you can do so. You can for example, share your affiliate links. You can do brand sponsorships. I actually got my first brand sponsorship when I only had 800 Instagram followers. That was way back in 2018. So there's really opportunities to make money. And you want to check this video up here for the different ways you can make money with your YouTube channel, just in addition to AdSense. So well guys, that's it for today in terms of how you can quickly make your first dollar online. Let me know what you thought of about this video, and thank you for staying up to the very end. I definitely look forward to meeting you on the next video. Bye bye.